Surah Ash-Shu'ara, the 26th chapter of the Holy Quran, revealed in Makkah. It is a profound journey through history and divine signs. Named after the poets, this surah distinguishes divine truth from human imagination, echoing the eternal messages sent to mankind throughout the ages. Prophet Musa stood before the tyranny of Pharaoh with nothing but a wooden staff and unwavering faith, a sign of Allah's supreme authority. We remember Prophet Nuh, who built the ark against the tide of disbelief, a vessel of mercy that survived the crashing waves of the great flood. From the winds that swept over the valleys of Hud to the split mountains of Salih, the remnants of the past serve as warnings for those who reflect. The ruins of the cities of Lut and the desolate marketplaces of Shu'ayb tell the story of those who chose corruption over divine guidance. Though every prophet was met with rejection, Allah's mercy always prevailed, saving the faithful and establishing justice upon the earth. The Quran is no mere poetry. It is a clear revelation from the Lord of the worlds, a timeless message of reflection, warning, and ultimate hope.